Hello guys, as I promised you before, I'm recording for you analysis of Bitcoin. Just a quick one, so let's start with the first tool. As you can see, the price is moving within a channel. Let's draw it nicely. And now we are on the top boundary of the channel. So we should be expecting movement down. And such a movement has already started. We can see first impulses. We have the hammer, beautiful hammer from the candlestick. We are on 4-hour chart, by the way. And if we go to 5-minute charts, you can see that on 5-minute charts from MMD we have already red cloud under the orange, plus the price touched the level where the red is going under the orange, and then massive movement down. So it's happening. A very nice place for scalping, at least from here to the blue. If you like 5-minute chart. Later, let's go back to 4 hours, and we will see as well that what's happening here is that we got only 2 touches of the bottom of the channel, and we should have 3 before the price goes massively up. So for now, everyone's anticipating the movement down, maybe 8,000, something around this level, and then we can go further up. But there is another story to this picture. Let me just get rid of this channel. If we make some measurements, let's use the FIBO, we can see that price bounced nicely at 50% over here. There's a beautiful bounce, exactly 50%. So another level we should touch should be 78.6 or 88.6. And since this is a Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies, they like the deeper levels, we might want to go to 88.6. So what might happen as well, there might be a false breakout when everyone will think that, yeah, we're going up, it's amazing, now the sky is the limit, and then there will be only a formation. Let's draw this formation as well. So we have XA, B, C, and D, either here or around here. So this is very, very possible that it might happen, that now everyone is selling at this point because it's a channel, and channel is like a very easy to notice for everyone. But these harmonic patterns, not so much. You need to know a little bit more about trading markets to notice that there might be a nice pattern going on. So keep that in mind. And if there will be another breakout, watch for these levels. There's another level just around horizontal line around here as well. So like 12,500 basically. So somewhere in between, exactly between these two levels, we have another level where the price crossed the red cloud. It's quite important as well. I think the price might want to come here before it will fall down. So keep that in mind. And for now, you can be looking for some nice scalping, as I showed you. Might be a little bit too late for this one, but keep that in mind for the future. If you have any questions about the analysis I just made for you, feel free to ask. This is a free educational channel on Instagram and on YouTube. I don't charge anything for the info. I'm more than happy to share my knowledge with you if you are into Forex or cryptocurrency, in that case trading or any trading. Thank you very much for watching and have a great evening or day, depends where you are. Bye.